Today we're going to take a quick look at the replacement 1/4 inch elbow for airlift ride control air helper springs. This is going to be an important component in our airbag system. This is where we actually push in our 1/4 inch airline. So this is just a push to fit connector. Once you push that airline in, you'll feel it go in once and then push a little bit further and it'll stop. At that second point, that's when we know we have it locked in place. To release it, you would just push in this little collar and then release the line there. So if you need to replace one that's just leaking out a little bit, that's how you do it there. And then we'll have our little threads that are covered with some thread sealant on the one side. You want to make sure that you get this tightened down enough to where that thread sealant is fully engaged, or it's fully in the threads of the bags. This is a direct replacement from airlift, so you know it's going to work with your airlift ride control air helper springs. It does have that 90-degree turn so we can get it installed properly, but then it does also swivel independent of that little nut collar there, so we can get it turned to the right angle that we need it to be, so we can connect in our line and have it going in a nice even swoop. You don't want to have any really sharp edges in your airline so it doesn't get kinked up. As far as dimensions, just really quickly, it's about 1 inch wide from the outside edge to the front of that connector and about 1 inch tall. It does fit that 1/4 inch airline tubing, and it does come as just a single quantity. That's going to do it for our look at the replacement 1/4 inch elbow for airlift ride control air helper springs.